Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize market timing with PayPal easy tutorial step by step clearly. Understanding market timing is crucial for maximizing your transactions with PayPal. Start by creating a PayPal account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access your dashboard. Next, navigate to the wallet section to see your linked accounts. Consider adding multiple funding sources to diversify your payment options. Research current market trends relevant to your business or personal needs. Use analytical tools to track cryptocurrency or stock prices if those are part of your transactions. Set alerts for these trends to notify you when prices change. Monitor the transaction fees associated with each payment method in PayPal. Evaluate the best times to make transactions based on market fluctuations. Plan your payment schedule around these optimal times to minimize costs. If you're selling goods, time your offers for when demand is highest. For buyers, look for seasonal discounts or promotions to take advantage of market timing. Utilize PayPal's buyer protection for added security on significant purchases. Review your transaction history regularly to identify patterns in your spending and earning. Adjust your strategies based on this data to improve future market timing. Save this information and make a habit of re-evaluating your approach regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.